Alright, later, kids. Thank you.
What'd you buy?
I bought you a Monster and 4 Speedos. What is that? Chelsea, what the hell did you just order?
It's a beef dumpling with rice cake.
Beef dumpling or rice cake? Oh, I can't. I'm trying to make those really cool shot like people does. I can't even grab the rice. Both? I'm beat. Thank you guys. How was your food, Chelsea? Was that good for you?
It was okay.
It was okay.
Wait, what did I have?
I thought it was amazing.
Oh,
Please don't appreciate good food when you eat it.
shut up.
All right, so let's go to our real destination, which is Chuck E. Cheese, known as Micro Center. Alrighty, let's go. Half of the time, I don't even know what she's talking about. I just go with it. It's like rocket science to me.
Okay, try. You can pick any case you want and I'll buy it for you.
Any case.
That one?
The little one?
The little one?
Yeah, I'll take that bad boy.
But your things won't fit in it. But you'll be computerless.
You're pretty good at doing
Yeah, let me
stuff
just
like that.
cut it up a couple
just cut
times,
it
you
up
know?
and just shove it all in there. How hard could it be, Chelsea?
Oh my god.
How hard could it be?
I like that one too, but that was
Oh man. Out of stock. Out of stock. We drove 3 hours for out of stock.
I like this one.
I think I might get this one. But they don't have a black one. They don't have the white one.
I think it's still wish good.
Should I get it? Should I get the white one?
Okay.
Yeah, I think I'll get the white one. So you want to go Best
I
Buy?
might be tripping, but I don't know. Yeah, I still want to go Best Buy too.
So Chelsea, how was that Micro Center experience?
It was okay. Didn't have a lot of stuff that I wanted.
They didn't have a lot of stuff you wanted.
Yeah.
So where we go now?
Best Buy.
Best Buy. Alright. You think Best Buy's gonna have more better stuff?
No, but at least they have my cooler for cheaper.
Alright, let's go, Cassie. Let's go. Yeah, your best of the buy.
Where's my best of the buy?
Yeah, so what are we gonna go buy anyway? We'll go buy new coolers?
Yes, sir. Halo edition.
Bro, this is dope. Wait, what'd you say? Man, Chelsea, maybe one day. Maybe one day.
The Founders Edition is only $800. It's not worth it.
They don't have it here.
No, there's no more.
What's up?
That Best Buy
Uh-huh.
actually have 30 series graphics cards.
I know, right?
I know.
But what is it? We walked out with just
Thermal paste.
the thermal paste, and just because you don't like yours that we bought earlier, we bought another one.
Yeah, because I like to waste money.
Yeah, you do like to waste money. But, you know, I guess we're going to Best Buy Part 2 because we didn't find what you're looking for.
Okay. And
All right, Best Buy Part
2.
2. Just say they have a freaking home theater. No, this is relaxing. Do they have what you need?
Yes, they have exactly 2.
They have 2. Oh, right here.
Yeah, that's exactly 2 for us. One for your PC.
Wait, you gonna buy me one?
Yeah.
You gonna buy me a new cooler?
Yeah, we're gonna upgrade your PC
Oh, okay.
to look aesthetically better.
Oh, well, okay, what does that mean? Oh, I know what it means. Okay.
Yeah, that's what it means. The 6600 XT 5065. They got 2060, 12 gigabyte overclock. Is that it? 2060, 12 gigabyte? Is that really a thing? Perfect.
I know nothing about computers. I'm just a muscle.
How do you feel about getting such an upgrade on your PC?
I feel grateful. Oh, you should give me this.
You're such a kid.
I don't know. Say what? Come on.
Try, you need help?
Yeah, a little bit, dude. Alright, there we go. Let's go.
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Remember to blur out my license plate, please.
Okay. Oh. Well, thank you guys for watching. like, subscribe. Please help us support this channel, because if you guys do, I will finally stop being Chelsea's slave and, you know, do something better in my life, you know. Well, see you guys. Oh yeah, and I also forgot to mention, next video we'll be swapping this into this. So stay tuned, and peace.